Satya, and today I'm back to show you how to code an amazing drawing app on Thunkable. We did the designing part in another video, so look in the description box below for the link. So log on to thunkable.com and click on your drawing app. So this is our design. Now let's get coding. So there we are in the blocks. So now we're using any component. So go on to when any button clicked. So this will happen when any button is clicked and will return the component. When any button clicked from stage 1, set drawing color to get to from button component get background color. So it's getting the background, we're setting the drawing color to the background color of the button which was clicked. But now this will happen even when the eraser button is clicked, and we don't want that to happen. So let's add some code for this. If, and grab a not equal to there from logic, go down to any component, if the thing is not equal to button eraser, if component is not equal to button eraser, that is if the button clicked is not button eraser, setting the background color to drawing color, that else in canvas 1, in where is that, clear drawings on canvas 1, you can get it right there in looks. So that means if it is not the eraser button, we're setting the drawing color of the stage to the background color of the button which was clicked. So we don't have to code all over for this again. But if it else means otherwise, so if it is the eraser button that was clicked, then we are going to clear drawings on canvas 1, because that's what the eraser button is for, of course. So that's it. Let's check this out. So we've got our buttons there. Now I'm gonna click on yellow. But we notice that the slider is not working. We've not coded for it. So let's get back to that. We only coded for the color. So when slider 1 on value change, whenever the user changes the value of the slider, from stage 1 set drawing width to value. So that means we're getting the new value that the user put and setting the drawing width of the stage to that value. So that will now be it. So we've got our buttons there, and that's what it's like, and it's the same thing. But now when we increase the slider width, we've got some bigger stuff, and when we lessen it, we've got it smaller than that, and when it's at its max, which is 250, it's the thickest, and you can use this to paint your background as well. And there you just built your own fully functional drawing app with almost no code at all on Thunkable X. Hope you liked this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.